Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today I am showing you guys how I'm going from this blonde 613 color to my rainbow colored wig. So I'm just starting out by brushing out the wig, and then I will prep my wig. So I just sectioned off my wig based on the colors. The front will be one color, the next section will be another, the next section will be another, and the next section will be another. So I'm just sectioning those off so the colors won't mix and I know exactly how much hair I want in each section. And so I'm going to begin with coloring the bottom section first. So I will be using 4 different mixing bowls and brushes because it'll just save me on time. So I'm going to start out with my Brilliance in the color red with my 40 volume developer. And you want to make sure that you protect your hands. I am using gloves, so make sure you protect those hands so they don't get dyed. So I am starting with a kind of thick consistency, not too watery because you don't want it dripping everywhere. And I'm using aluminum foil as kind of like a board to apply the dye to the hair since it is already prepped on the wig. So I'm just going in and applying that. And this is really tedious, you guys. If you can color your hair before you attach it to the wig, it is so much easier because this is a lot of work. I had to make sure I got every strand from the root all the way to the end. So I just had to make sure I went in between the hair, under the hair, through the hair. It was a lot of work, but it turned out really great. So I continue to do the same thing for each section. So I'm not going to show you guys each section since it's pretty repetitive, but you can just see what I did and just enjoy watching. Baby, everybody knew like Bonnie and Clyde. I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride. Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. To avoid mixing colors, I sectioned off the already colored section with aluminum foil. Now this is a color from Brilliance. I don't remember the exact name, but I just got a hot pink type of color and repeated the same process. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. So for the next section, I did go ahead and remove my gloves because I did not want a color transfer. I am going into the lighter colors. So my next color is orange. This is Sunrise Orange by Adore. So I am getting a new pair of gloves and doing the exact same thing. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. And my last color is by Express. This is the electric yellow, and it is very runny, you guys, so you have to be really careful with this color. But it is a very bright yellow. It doesn't look as bright while you're applying it, but it is very bright once it dries. So I am going in and making sure I apply this to all my blonde areas because I've previously dyed the roots dark brown. If you're interested in seeing what color I used in that process, then you can check out that video. I will leave the link down below and up above. But I'm just going to apply that throughout my entire frontal and you guys can see the finished product. No matter what it is, will you tell me? So after finishing all of the coloring, I did go ahead and put aluminum foil on that one as well. And I'm going to let this process for 1 hour. And here is my finished product, ladies. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never love you like I do. See us doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures if you are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, I will leave the link to that video down below and up above as well. Make sure you guys add me on Instagram. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one.